MacHeads 101. Today we're going to show you how to use Terminal. This is Terminal Lesson 3. We're going to show you how to change another user's password or your own password, how to shut down the computer, and how to restart the computer. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to change a user's password. This is something you might find useful. We type PASSWD, PassWD, hit enter while we're logged into our user to change the user we're currently logged into's password. If you don't want to do it, you press Control C to cancel, and while you're running PassWD, so you type PassWD, type your old password, hit enter, type your new password, hit enter, confirm your new password, then hit enter. And I'm going to press Control C again. If you want to change another user's password, you do passwd space, then a username. And that changes the other user's password. You have to get the old password right, by the way. If you're root and you do passwd for your user or another user, let's just do sudo, it won't ask you for the old user or for the old password for the user. It'll just ask you for the new password. So root can change any user's password very easily, and it's sort of not good. Anyway, so that's cool. Another thing is how to shut down the computer. And this is something that you need to be root to do. So we do sudo and then the commands I'm about to show you. And I will remind you, if you're not an admin on a Mac, you will not be able to do sudo. So let's get started here. We're going to type sudo space shutdown dash H space now. And what this is going to do is it's going to be root. It's going to shut down the computer. Dash H means halt. That means it's going to shut down the computer, halt it. And now is the time. Instead of now, if we type in military time, a time, so you know what military time is, instead of after noon, it goes back to 1. Instead of that, it goes to 13, 14, and midnight is 0 o'clock. Right now you can see it's 5:37, so that's 17:37. If I make this command 17:38, then it will shut down the computer in 1 minute. And it'll give us a minute to press Control C to cancel. Also, instead of the H, you can do an R to reboot the computer. And remember, now just means do it now. And if you don't want to set a time for it, you can just do sudo reboot. Reboot is a command that just restarts the computer. And sudo halt, which shuts down the computer, halts the computer. And remember, you have to be root to shut down through a terminal. On a Mac through the GUI, if you just press the power button and this comes up, when you click shutdown, the GUI acts as root for shutting down. When you click restart, it acts as root for restarting. And so that's how the GUI does it. And in the last time I was trying to do this, I accidentally halted my computer in the middle of the video. So I'm filming it again right here. So that's how to shut down the computer. That's how to restart the computer. And that's how to change another user's password. So let's just do it one more time. Sudo halt. Halts the computer, shuts it down. Sudo reboot, restarts the computer. And sudo shutdown. Shutdown is a program that shuts down. Dash R, and then a time. Now, meaning now, will reboot the computer. And dash H will halt the computer. So that's how to shut down and reboot, and how to change another user's password, and how to change your own. Remember, passwd will change the current user's logged in password by default, not root's password. If you do passwd root, it'll change root's password, but you have to know the old root password. If you do sudo passwd root, because if you're root, you can change someone's password, then you can change root's password very simply. So that's a few things today in Terminal, and that's all I'm going to be showing you. Thank you for watching. Check in with MacHeads more often and subscribe, and yeah.